Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. Today we are talking about internal recruitment. That's when a business chooses to hire someone from inside the company rather than looking elsewhere. It is a common method used by many companies because it has some clear advantages. First, one major benefit is that it's faster and smoother. Since the person is already familiar with the company, its ways of working and its culture, they can start their new role quickly without much training. For example, if Sarah has been working in the sales department for 2 years and the business needs a team leader, promoting her means she already knows the products, customers, and company goals. This saves time and avoids the delay that come with interviewing and training someone new. Another advantage is motivation and morale. When employees see that the company values their efforts and is willing to promote from within, it encourages them to work hard and stay loyal. Imagine Luke, who has been working as an apprentice and gets promoted to a shop supervisor. Knowing his efforts can lead to a promotion motivates him to do his best every day. But internal recruitment is not always perfect, and there are some disadvantages too. One issue is that it can cause confirmation bias, meaning the company might think someone is suitable just because they have worked there before, even if they are not the best fit. For instance, if Emily is promoted from within managerial role but she does not have enough experience, the business could face problems in the future because she might struggle with the new responsibilities. Another problem is that it can limit fresh ideas. If a business keeps promoting the same people or only looks internally, it might miss out on new skills and perspectives that outsiders could bring. Think of a bakery that keeps promoting bakers who think the same way. They might miss innovative recipes or new ways to attract customers. In a small case study, let's say a local cafe decides to promote from within to fill a chef position. While the promoted chef knows the kitchen well and works well with the team, it turns out they lack skills in creating new dishes that could attract customers. The cafe misses the chance to innovate by not hiring someone from outside with fresh ideas, which could have increased its popularity. So, internal recruitment has its strengths like speed, motivation, and saving costs, but also risks missing out on new ideas or promoting someone who is not the right fit. It's important for businesses to weigh these pros and cons carefully.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.